Hello and welcome to BBMPulsers. Thank you for stopping by, viewing my channel. Really appreciate it. Alright guys, so this is the second version of the printed circuit board for BBMPulser 5B. Magnetic pulsar that can output 2.4 Tesla, 24,000 Gauss. I'd like to show you the power output from this unit, as you probably have already seen it from previous videos, but here we go. This is my Tesla meter. It's set to pick up the highest value, and I will go ahead and take a few measurements to show you the power output from this unit. There we go. So it starts with 1 Tesla, and I can increase all the way to 2.4 Tesla, guys. So check this out. It takes about 7 seconds between pulses. There we go. My bad, sensor wasn't at the right location. Here we go. 2.492 Tesla. So this circuit's gonna make it operate your pulsar anytime you switch down to 1 Tesla. It will pulsate it once a second, and if you increase power, as you increase power, speed will slow down automatically, and you can select different power outputs. As you get to 2.4 Tesla, your speed will drop down to about 7 seconds. Once every 7 seconds you're gonna get a pulse. This is the very first version of the printed circuit board, which went through a few modifications, and this is the second version of the printed circuit board. Alright guys, so if you go to my website bbmpulser.org, you will go to circuits, electronic circuits, scroll down till you get 2.4 Tesla BBMPulser 5B, and then you will have 2 circuits. One is for 220 volt DC, another one for 120 volt DC. So this is the circuit for this magnetic pulsar, and this is a complete circuit which consists of 2 low voltage and high voltage side of the circuit. So the low voltage side of the circuit is this PCB, which is marked with these lines here, and in addition to these components marked here on this left side, this PCB will have a relay, this relay from high voltage side built into here, as well as a output for fan and input for 12 volt DC, and we'll have your output for 50 Celsius thermal switch, which is gonna be on the board. So here is your thermal switch, here's the fan wires, thermal switch, here's your relay, and all other components which are necessary to make this circuit work. Also guys, I'd like to show you one website, which is drpaveluk.com, and this website also sells a variety of different magnetic pulsars, and I just want to show you a couple of them. So first model is Tesla Fit Pro. This model, they sell it for close to $20,000. Well, actually it is $20,000 with the free shipping. And if we look at this model of magnetic pulsar, it doesn't look any fancy or special. It's just magnetic pulsar. And then if we'll go down and read its power output, we're gonna find out that the power output from this unit is only 8,300 Gs, about 8,300 Gs, which is way below than 25,000 Gs, almost 25,000 Gs. So 8,000 Gs for $20,000, 8,000 Gs for $20,000, or you can build your own. You can order one of these and order some more parts and build your own pulser. It will give you much more power output for way less than that, way less than that. So also I just want to show you another one. Here is the second model of magnetic pulser. This is a portable, doesn't look portable to me, but they call it portable. And let's go look at the power output from it. Maximum intensity is 8,290 Gs. So as you see, guys, the prices for these devices are ridiculous right now, and that's why I am trying to give you some option and better deals, and together we can make this technology cheaper. Right now it's just overpriced, way too overpriced, guys. So if you interested and have skills to build one of these magnetic pulsers, and then you can go to my website and download this circuit for this magnetic pulser and order the parts for it and get yourself a PCB. By the way, here's the deal about PCB. The new PCB that, just a second. Basically my second version of PCB, I haven't ordered it yet, but I want to give you an opportunity to pre-order. If you are interested, you can find contact information down below this video, and if you contact me, you can pre-order this second version of this PCB for the magnetic pulser, for the BBMPulser 5B, and you can either run it for 120 or 240 volt AC. This is a universal board. All you're gonna have to do is adjust one resistor value to make it either 220 or 120 volt AC, and the resistor value will be indicated on the board. It's either 500k or 200k, 250k for different voltages, but this board will work for both 120 and 240 volt AC. So under this video you're gonna have some contact information where you can order yourself one of these boards. I will try to make available one board, have a couple options, one option with the components, another without, so you will have an option. Alright guys, if you like the video, share, please subscribe, and I have many more videos on the way, and I'll see you in the next one.